Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable the share button on Facebook. We start by seeing how the share button does not appear in our publication. To fix it, we are going to click on the top 3 points of the publication. Next, click on Edit Privacy. In this list, we are going to choose the public option to change the privacy. Finally, we update the Facebook page and we will see that the share button now appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.